At the beginning of March, a store bought a chest of drawers at a cost of $94 and marked it up by 100%. At the end of the month, the chest of drawers had not sold, so the store marked it down by 25%. What was the discounted price? So another question that has to be solved in multiple steps. So let's see what the first step is. The first step is to mark up the price by 100%. We've been told that the cost price for this chest of drawers is $94. And in order to find the marked up price, we have to increase this by 100%. So let's do that. Step 1. Step 1 is finding out the marked up price. So 94 multiplied by 100 over 100. Or in fact, I'll write it down as 100 over 100 multiplied by 94, the other way around, since we've been solving questions in this way. Yeah, this shouldn't confuse you. So 100 over 100 multiplied by 94. Now this is easy. We have the same number in the numerator and the denominator, so we cancel them out. And we're left with 1 and 1 in the denominator, but since we don't consider 1 in the denominator, we just say that we have 1 here, and if we multiply 1 by 94, we're left with 94. Anything multiplied by 1 is that same anything, so we have 94. Now this is the amount that is added to the cost price, which means the markup price or the new price therefore is $94 plus $94. So we could have multiplied both of them and found out the answer. It doesn't really matter. So let's add 94 and 94. If we add 9 plus 9, we get 18, and 4 added to 4 is 8. So that is 122, but just to be sure, let's do it again. Plus 94 equals 188. That's $188. So this is the new price after it has been marked up by 100%. Now the second step is to mark it down by 25%. At the end of the month, the chest of drawers had not sold, so the store marked it down by 25%. What was the discounted price? Now the second step is going to give us our final answer. And for that we need to find out the discounted price. So the new price now is $188 and we need to mark it down by 25%. So when we talk about marking down on prices, instead of finding out 25% of 188 and then subtracting that amount from the total, which is 188 in this case, a shorter way of doing this is find out the remaining percent of that amount. So if we're marking it down by 25%, that means we now need to pay 75% of the total price. Assuming that this is the new price, and as I said, we consider the total of anything when we're talking in terms of percentages to be 100%. So this price is 100%, and if I take out 25% from it, I'm left with 75%, which is the amount that I'm now paying. So if I find 75% of 188, this is going to be my new price, my marked down price, or the discounted price. So 75 over 100 multiplied by 188, and let's use a calculator to solve this. 75 multiplied by 188 equals 14,100, and we have this 100 in the denominator. So let's get rid of the zeros and we're left with 141, and let's add the dollar sign, and this gives us our answer. So what was the discounted price? The discounted price was $141.